welcome back to my channel. And I just received my guess what box for the month of September, and here it is all packed, and I'm just going to open it and show you guys what I got. So this is how the bag looks like. It's red in color, kind of like cherry red. First thing I can see is this keychain. It is basically a Ganesha keychain. It also has lights. Look at that. So it lights up, and I think I'm just gonna keep it in my mandir. The very first thing I can see, a huge bag. Oh wow, it is a big tote bag, perfect for traveling. Oh my god, I was actually thinking of buying this kind of bag because I keep on traveling, as you guys know, from Chandigarh to Delhi. So this is a huge bag, and yeah, it's really nice. I like it. It's huge, so it's perfect whenever I have to go to my mom for like 2-3 days. I think it's perfect for that. If you look at the capacity of this bag, I really love the bag. Yeah, so definitely this bag will be handy for me. And here I have the info card. So this is casual hobo carry handbag. This retails for 430 Indian rupees. And now I have everything packed here. Let's just see what's inside. The very first thing I can see are some snacks. I love when I get snacks in their box because it excites me. So this is volume mini strawberry cake. So this is the cake, and they never mention the price of the eatable items in their info box, so I really can't tell you how much it costs. And it doesn't seem of India because I can see something written in Arabic, and I really don't know whether it's vegetarian or not because I don't eat eggs as well. I'm vegetarian. I used to, but now I don't. It's by choice. So I have to like read the ingredients and see whether I can eat it or not. So yeah, I'll keep it here. The next thing I can see, again, an eatable item, and this is Choco Blast filled waffle cone. Oh wow, again, I really don't know. Okay, this is vegetarian. I can see the green dot here, so yeah, that I can eat this, and yeah, I'm definitely going to try it. So these are the two snacks or treats I got in this box. Let's move on to other products. So here I see, I think it's jewelry. Oh, I got this necklace. Remember, I got the same necklace in my Orna box, but it was broken and it was in gold. This one is in silver, but I got the same necklace from them. I have thrown that away because it was broken. Now I have this one which is very similar, just the color is different. It's in silver. Yeah, so this is the necklace or pendant, whatever you want to say. So I'm not opening this up because I don't know whether I'll be keeping it or I'll be gifting it to someone. So yeah, so this is that, and let me tell you the price of this necklace. So this is antique leaf and clock necklace, and it retails for 450 Indian rupees. Oh, this is not the antique leaf and clock necklace. This is multi-layered stone necklace. Yeah, this is multi-layered stone necklace, and this one retails for 399 Indian rupees. And the leaf and the clock necklace is here, which is this one, really boho and unique. Look at this. I have never seen a necklace like this. It has a kind of like a clock here, which is not working obviously because it's a metal clock, and then there is a leaf and there's one wooden circular thing here. So this is leaf and clock necklace, and this one retails for 450 Indian rupees. So those were the two necklaces. Let's just move on to other things. And I see fairy lights, which are these. I have similar fairy lights at my mom's place. They are similar. I think they have sent this because festive season is coming, and we obviously love to decorate our houses in this festive season, and that's the reason they have sent this. And this is indoor decoration LED string, 5 different settings. It retails for 199 Indian rupees. I have similar lights at my mom's place as well. So yeah, these are the lights. I'll test them later whether they work or not, because plug is like really far away, so I can't like show you and how they blink. So yeah, let's just move on to other products. And here I see a pouch. I think it's a pouch. Alright, so this is a pouch. You can see it's basically velvet. The material is velvet, and you can see elephant's embroidery on the pouch. It has a string as well. Yeah, it has like a zipper over here at the back as well. So this is ethnic wallet and cash pouch for festivals, and it retails for 250 Indian rupees. Okay, so this is basically whenever you are out for Navratri or something, you don't carry your purse or you don't have any pockets. So this is basically for that. If you're even if you're going to someone's wedding or Indian function, so you don't carry a lot of stuff with you. So this is a pouch where you can carry your cards, your cash, and your mobile phone. So this is a really nice thing, and I think I'll be using it. They mailed me to choose a facial kit. One was like a whitening facial kit, other one was the gold facial kit. I chose gold facial kit because I don't believe in whitening your skin color. I am happy the way God made me, the color God gave me. I only believe in enhancing the beauty, not just changing everything. I chose the gold facial kit, and this is Valinta Midas Touch Herbal Gold Facial Kit. It is paraben free, and this retails for 220 Indian rupees, and it has gold cleanser, gold scrub, gold massage cream, gold face gel, and gold face pack. So these are the contents inside this kit. Let me know if you want to see a video doing my facial using this facial kit. So then I have few of the bubble wrap things, and let's just open it. Alright, I got a lipstick here, and they also asked us to choose the shade for the lipstick. This is by Avon Perfect Pout, and it's by their range Simply Pretty. So this one retails for 200 Indian rupees. Alright, so this looks super pretty. It matches the kurta I'm wearing right now. It is very different from the color of the tube. The inner tube is like really different. So this one is not matte, and I don't know whether I'll be keeping it or not, because it's more of a creamy finish. I already have like 5 of the Sugars creamy lipstick, which I love. I don't want more creamy lipsticks in my collection, so I think I'm just gonna give it away. Then I have, I think it's a pencil or something. Let's just see. Alright, so I have Vega Eye Glam Kajal here, and yes, I was actually short of kajals these days because all of my previous kajal got dried. So I was thinking to get a few kajals for myself. So I got this, and yeah, I'll be using it. Though I don't wear kajal that much, but for tutorials I need them. So yeah, that's Vega Eye Glam Kajal. Let me just swatch and see. Oh, it's creamy. Oh my god, and it's like really black. I love it. You can see here. So that's the kajal, and this Vega Eye Glam Kajal retails for 200 Indian rupees. And I'm just left with one product, and let's just open this as well. Oh, it's a perfume, I guess. Oh, the bottle is like super cute. Look at this. It's so cute. It smells really nice. It doesn't have any pump, but it smells really nice. Love the fragrance of this perfume. And this is Imari Seduction by Avon, and the amount of perfume I'm getting here is 10 ml of product. And okay, so this Avon Imari Seduction decanter 10 ml retails for 499 Indian rupees. So yeah, that's that. Really like it. Love this perfume. So that was it for my September's Guess What box, and I like it. I especially love the bag, and I also love the facial kit. I'll be definitely trying this out, and yeah, I love it. Every time I get Guess What box, I feel very excited, because I always love to see what's inside, and I'm always excited about it. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you like this video, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe this button to get more notification for my videos so that you don't miss it. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye and take care.